Hey everyone, ready for a deep dive into something that sounds a little too good to be true?
Oh, I think I know where this is going.
Today we're looking at VIP indicators.
Those, huh?
Yeah, this system claims it can get you a 93% win rate trading, Forex, stocks, even crypto.
93%. Wow.
Right, who wouldn't want that? But I gotta say my skepticism alarm is already going off.
Yeah, and it should be. That kind of consistent accuracy, across all those different markets, super unusual, to say the least.
Okay, so maybe not a magic crystal ball, but what are these VIP indicators?
Well, before we get too excited, it's important to understand what trading indicators actually are.
Right.
Essentially, they're calculations based on past market data like price and volume, trying to, identify patterns, predict future price movements.
Gotcha.
They can be useful tools, no doubt, but no indicator, VIP or otherwise, can guarantee a win rate, let alone something as crazy as 93%.
There's some red flags already.
For sure.
But let's break down what these VIP indicators actually claim to do. There are five main ones, each with a catchy name
Of course.
and a big promise.
That's the marketing game.
First up is the VIP Market Scanner. This thing claims it can not only spot profitable trends, but also tell you exactly where to set your stop loss and take profit levels. Like, it's taken all the guesswork out.
Sounds tempting.
Right. Almost ready to pull out my credit card.
Hold on now. Automating those decisions might sound appealing, but
Yeah.
how exactly does the scanner determine those entry and exit points? What calculations? What logic?
Your point.
And how is it different from other indicators that do similar things? Ones that are more well-known and established.
Putting my credit card away. For now. Next, we've got cloud band signals. All about clear BY cell signals.
Supposed to, take the emotion out of trading.
Right.
But again, what triggers these signals? Some combination of indicators, a secret algorithm, the source material we have, it's pretty vague.
Concerning. Okay, then there's the one that really got my attention.
Which one?
The market prediction indicator. Come on, who wouldn't want to predict the market's next move?
Right.
Is this thing powered by a time traveler or something?
I doubt it involves time travel, but this is exactly why we need to be careful.
Yeah.
What methodology lets this indicator see into the future? Is there any proof? Any independent verification?
Right. Okay, point taken. Moving on. We have the Trend Navigator and the VIP Oscillator, a 2-for-1 deal.
Okay.
They claim to make it easy to spot market trends.
Well, there are plenty of indicators out there already that do that. What makes these VIP versions so special? What advantage do they offer? The source material doesn't really say.
Another red flag.
Maybe.
And last but not least, there's the support and resistance matrix. This tool supposedly shows you where the top traders are making their moves.
So we can just copy the pros.
That's the idea, yeah.
But how is this top trader activity defined, tracked? Any evidence for this claim?
No.
And even if it is accurate, does it guarantee they'll keep being right?
Okay, so we've got these 5 shiny indicators. But how do they actually work?
Good question.
The process seems pretty simple. Step 1, you purchase access for just $9.
$9?
Yeah. I know, right? Seems pretty cheap for something promising such high accuracy and profit.
That's where they get you. Probably a recurring subscription, which they don't emphasize in the marketing.
Oh, yeah.
Always be wary of those too good to be true prices. Often a catch.
Right. So a recurring fee, not a one-time purchase. Step 2 is you create a free TradingView account. That's where you'll apply these indicators.
TradingView is a legitimate platform. That part checks out.
Okay.
But remember, no platform can guarantee trading success. It comes down to the trader, their skill, their knowledge, their decisions.
Right. And finally, step 3, you start trading, guided by those VIP indicator signals. So I just follow the blinking lights, and the money just magically appears in my account.
That'd be nice, wouldn't it?
It would. I have to admit, even I'm starting to get a little sucked in.
It's easy to get caught up in the promise of easy money, especially when it's presented like that, like it's effortless.
Yeah.
But remember, trading takes work, discipline, a solid understanding of risk management.
Right. Okay. Definitely pumping the brakes on my excitement. But there's one more piece of the puzzle here.
Oh.
The source material mentions a private Telegram group that comes with your VIP indicator access.
Yes. Creating that sense of community, exclusivity, making you feel like you're part of an inner circle.
Right.
But what information is actually shared there? Is it valuable or just more hype? Pressure to keep trading? Are they trying to create that fear of missing out, keep you paying that monthly fee.
Good point. So let's move on to the evidence, or the lack thereof. The source boasts some impressive earnings. They say the average weekly profit for VIP members is over $2,850, $425 a day per member.
Wow.
And they even list the top 5 member earnings, some exceeding $17,000 in a month.
Hold on. That seems a lot.
I know, right?
Those figures, are they independently verified? They could be cherry-picked, manipulated, even completely made up.
Yeah.
We got to be careful with these claims, especially when there's no solid evidence.
Okay.
Yep.
And then, of course, there are the glowing testimonials. Traders singing the praises of VIP indicators and their newfound success.
Yes.
Some of these stories are pretty amazing, but it all feels a bit too perfect.
Testimonials are powerful, but they're also easy to fake. Remember, these are just individual experiences. We don't know if they're genuine or just carefully selected to make the product look good.
Right, like those weight loss ads.
Yeah.
You only see the people who had amazing results.
Exactly.
So we have these big promises, impressive names, eye-popping earnings figures, but not a lot of concrete evidence. And what's really missing, and this is a big red flag, is any detailed backtesting data.
Right. If these indicators are as accurate and profitable as they say, there should be data to back it up.
Exactly. And that's where the potential for misleading marketing comes in. Systems that promise unrealistic win rates. They often target people new to trading, who might not have the knowledge to evaluate these claims.
Absolutely. They prey on that desire for quick and easy profits.
So it's starting to sound like these VIP indicators might not be the holy grail of trading.
Yeah, lots of promises, flashy testimonials, but not a lot of substance.
I was pretty excited at first, but now I'm feeling kind of deflated.
I get it. It's easy to get caught up in the hype, especially when it plays on our desire for easy money, quick success.
Right.
But trading, it's complex, takes effort, skill, a realistic understanding of how the markets work.
Okay, so let's say someone's considering these VIP indicators. What should they do before, jumping in?
Research. Thorough research.
Okay.
Don't just rely on the marketing stuff or those testimonials. Look for independent reviews, analysis from reputable sources.
Gotcha.
See if you can find discussions about the methodology behind the indicators. Understand the logic, the calculations,
Makes sense.
and compare them to other indicators that do similar things, ones that are more established.
So basically, don't just take their word for it. Do your own homework.
Exactly. And don't be afraid to ask questions. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is.
Right.
Reach out to experienced traders. Join some communities. Have discussions about different indicators and strategies.
Okay.
There are lots of legitimate resources and tools out there that can help you learn to trade responsibly.
It's funny. The source material we have actually mentions a free trading book for beginners, almost like an afterthought.
Oh, interesting.
It's like they're admitting their system might not be the magic bullet they claim it is.
Could be. Or it could be another marketing tactic to appear more credible.
Right.
Either way, it raises a good question for anyone new to trading. What legitimate resources are out there? What can help someone learn responsibly without falling for these hyped-up promises?
Exactly. Because even if these VIP indicators aren't all they're cracked up to be, there are still people who want to learn how to trade. Where should they start?
Well, there are tons of books, courses, online communities dedicated to helping aspiring traders develop the knowledge and skills they need to succeed.
Okay.
The key is to approach it with a realistic mindset, a commitment to learning, and a healthy dose of skepticism.
So find reliable information, build a solid foundation. Don't get lured in by those shiny promises of easy money.
Exactly.
But how can someone tell the difference between a legitimate trading resource and, something that's just trying to sell them a dream?
That's where critical thinking comes in. Look for resources that emphasize education over quick profits.
Okay.
Find experienced traders who are willing to share their knowledge and insights, not just their flashy wins.
Right.
And most importantly, remember that trading is a journey. It's not a destination. It takes time, effort, and a willingness to constantly learn and adapt.
So don't expect to become a millionaire overnight just by following some signals.
Exactly. Trading can be rewarding, both financially and intellectually, but you gotta approach it with realistic expectations. There will be ups and downs, wins and losses.
Right.
The key is to develop a solid understanding of the markets, manage your risk effectively, continuously refine your skills.
Okay, that makes sense. But let's go back to those VIP indicators for a second. Aside from the lack of evidence and the over-the-top promises, are there any